This course is for people whom the internet has disappointed when it comes to career hacking, job hunting, career change, and overall dream job acquisition. And this course is for folks who want a dream job. They know it's out there, but they don't see it advertised. And when they pursue something they see that they want, it leads to nowhere. You know what I'm talking about. The vacuous space in which your resume evaporates into after you've clicked send and you get that email from a robot telling you, don't worry, we got it. Now, just go away unless we call you. We have no need for thee unless we send forth for thee. Stand by in case we call or email, although we probably never will, unless you're in the 0.5% of applicants. So you're here because you're woefully tired of reading that sort of text. And that's good. So you're in the right place. We're not going to bother with those dead-end avenues anymore. This course is outside the box. It's designed to give you the information that you can't get from a typical career coaching resource. How do we do that? Quite simply, you'll know how to be an insider. You'll know how to get behind the scenes where jobs are filled. You'll know what it takes to navigate through the back doors of the job market. Sure, we'll still talk about resumes and cover letters and how to answer interview questions. It's all covered here. But these are not the only things that you're going to learn in this course. They're presented within the context of a new approach and a new system that prepares and guides you for the true job market of the present and future. Job market is dynamic. It changes every year. The strategies that work today are quite a bit different from those that worked just 2 or 3 years ago. So, welcome to the future of the job market. We're going to have some fun learning this stuff and realizing how ridiculous it was when we were following that old tradition of just looking up ads and firing out resumes. You're about to find that there's way more that goes into the highest levels of career advancement and mastery. So let's get you enrolled in this course and let's get started right now.